sweets, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Yancy and I'm a makeup artist by profession. And today I wanted to do my BOXYCHARM unboxing for the month of January. I know that we are already kind of on the ending part of January, but I still wanted to do this. So for this month BOXYCHARM, the theme is breaking the ice. And the particular thing about this month box, or my box for this month, is that I have two products for my skin. The first one is this Skin & Co. I like very much the Truffle Therapy setting mist, illuminating setting mist from this company. Actually, I tried it because BOXYCHARM sent it my way. And this is a Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. This is a delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and smoothing fragrance. This is a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and luxury Italian spa experience. This one I'm gonna use it today when I remove my makeup, and the other one that I have never tried anything from Glow Recipe, and I'm very grateful because I know it is a little bit expensive. That's why I haven't tried it yet, and I don't know anybody near me that can give me any feedback in this brand, so that's why I was waiting for it, and BOXYCHARM sent it my way. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects skin overnight. This is supposed to give a radiant boosting face mask formulated with a smoothing amino acid rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore redefining. Definitely I'm gonna use this and see how my face looks. Usually when you use skin products, you have to give them at least a month to actually see what are the results, but I think this will give some of a result fast. I'm gonna use it and let you know. The Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Face Gommage retails for $28, and the Glow Recipe one retails for $22, and I think this is the small one. Basically, I already have my BOXYCHARM money back. The other product that this box sent my way, it is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. This is a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural flawless finish, infused with vitamin E and galactorabin to keep skin moisturized and rejuvenate and improve skin experience. This retails for $25. That's why I only have my foundation applied, and I was waiting for this. So let's just figure out if this works for me. I hope it is my shade, and let's just, I think it is my shade. I will first start light and then I will go from there. This concealer will not be a brightening one because of the shade that I was sent to, but at least it is this concealer that I can use in my makeup no makeup days, because it's exactly my shade, or the color of my skin at the moment. So at least that I will find some use to it. And it definitely is a lightweight concealer. I cannot even feel it when it's dried, and because of that, it's really easy to blend into my complexion. So my god, it is exactly my shade. It blends perfectly into my foundation, and I apply 2 layers of it. I don't think it gives me a lot of coverage because here I have a little bit of darkness. Today I didn't apply any corrector because I knew I had that product and I wanted to see what it does. But so far, this is how it is looking. I'm going to set it just to see how everything meshed together. This powder, it is amazing, by the way. It's doing this concealer a lot of favors. The combo of the two of them, really good. I'm gonna keep on doing the rest of my complexion because the next product that I can use is to do my eye look. So I'm gonna finish up my face and then we're gonna come back. My complexion is done and now I'm gonna go for the next product in my box. It is this is the Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. Featured 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrise and sunsets witnesses in various locations around the world. It retails for $34.99. This is the Unicorn. I always like the art that Ace Beauty do to their palettes. Is very, very nice, in my opinion, actually. I like it a lot. As I said, the Unicorn, and this is the actual palette. And this is the color story of this palette. Really nice, really, really, really nice. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the orange ones or I'm going to use the berry ones. I'm not sure yet, but it has the protection sheet and it also has a mirror in the inside. I've already prepped my beads. I love the shade Lotus, this dusty rose here, but I don't know with which one pair it. I'm gonna use this fluffy brush and I'm gonna go to the shade Lotus. And let's start with that. This is a matte shade. It has a little bit of pickup in the pan, but nothing much. And now I'm going to apply it over my natural crease because I have hooded eyes, so I have to work on top of my natural crease if I want to give a lifted illusion to my eye. At the same time that I'm applying it, blending it and I'm working it towards my eyebrow. That is a really nice shade. Now I'm gonna go to the shade Pink Moon. This also is another matte shade, and so it has a little bit of pickup in the pan. Nothing much, just a little bit. I started in the middle above my natural crease, and what I have left over is what I'm trying to work towards my eyebrow. Now I'm gonna go again to my original brush to really buff this color into my eye. I'm gonna use the same brush again and I'm gonna go to the shade Bahamas. And this one I'm gonna place it in my outer corner, a little bit on top. Now I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna use the fluffy brush that I used at the beginning to just blend everything. I'm gonna keep on using the same brush and I'm gonna go to the shade Sangria to intensify my outer corner. Now I'm gonna do the same thing again. I'm going to blow out a little bit the look, just to make sure that I don't have any harsh edge, that everything is perfectly blend, no lines, no anything. And to do so, I'm just working it in circular motions. I'm gonna go to Aurora. And I'm gonna place a little bit of this here in the outer corner. And still I'm gonna blend it. But it's just to have, I wanna try this shade. Just a touch of it. I'm going to clean or try to wipe away the excess of the brush that I have been using just to blend everything together. To smooth the edge of Aurora. Since I have been doing this look, I have been thinking a lot what I'm going to wear in the inside of my mobile lid. And I think I'm gonna do a mix of Aurora with the first shade that I started with, Lotus. Because I want a shade that is really light, but we don't have any really light shade here. So I will have to stick to that one. No, I think I'm going to stick only to Aurora. I don't like it much. I really wanted this area to be really brightened. So I'm just going to apply a little bit and then rub my finger on top of it just to take away the excess of it. There. I think that I'm happy with that. Now I'm gonna go to my bottom part. To keep on using shades, I think I will start with shade. And I'm going to place it really near my bottom lashes. And now I'm going to go to Crimson. This shade here, the really bright orange one. This is kind of a neon shade. Also, it is a matte shade. Each one of the shades that I have been using, they are matte, except for Aruba, which was the one that I mixed with Lotus. That is the one that I applied in my mobile lid. Really bright orangey shade. And to pop them all together, I'm going to go to the shade Sunset, burnt orange. And really carefully, I will try to buff the edges of the first two shades that I apply. I don't want to smoke them out a lot, just to clean the edges a little bit. And for my inner corner, I think I'm going to do a mix of Maui with Aurora. Honest, I think I'm gonna apply as well Hibiscus, this one here. Yep, and that one do the trick. What I have been liking a lot about this palette is that you can mix colors together and you get this amazing shade. I'm not going to do a wing liner. I'm just going to line my eyelids. I'm just going to line my lashes. Now for the next product that I have in my box is this mascara. This is the Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara that adds instant thickness and definition. It is a quick dry formula, locks in curl, while the custom Petite size hourglass applicator is designed to lay on thick and separate lash by lash for a full feathered fringe. This is a lot of claims. This retails for $16. I'm going to curl my lashes. I really like the packaging. This is the shape of the one. At least it doesn't come out with a lot of goop, which is the thing that I really hate the most when I'm using a new mascara. It really comes through my lashes. And this is how they look with just one coat on them. It says that it's a really fast dry formula, so I'm going to let them dry, but in the meantime, I'm going to start working in my bottom lashes. I'm gonna finish up my lips and then we're gonna come back. So sweet, this is it. This is the final look. Now we're gonna do a recap of what I use and what I did like about the products that I got. Basically, I started with the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy. This was an exfoliator. This is how it actually looks in the inside. And when you apply it, exfoliating particles, they are really little and soft. So it isn't such a harsh exfoliator, which I like a lot. It is also hydrating, which when I use it, I really enjoy it. I I don't like how my skin feels when I use a really harsh exfoliator because it feels like it is a strip off every ounce of water that she has. This one didn't do that. Lucy Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask. I liked it and I really enjoy the scent of it. It is smell like a watermelon, but it is really nice and refreshing. This one, I like how soft and sleek and nice my skin looked the next day. So I'm really happy with both of the products that I got for my skin. The other product, it is the Pretty Vulgar Concealer. It is really lightweight. I used 2 coats of it. It is actually my shade and it looks really nice. I have to set it because it stays tacky, and besides that I live in a humid climate, so I have to set everything that I apply to my face, which I don't mind. It is part of how I learned to do my makeup and how I actually do or perform makeup. I liked it. I think it is the second concealer that I have that it is in my shade, that I can use it or I can wear it when I'm doing a makeup no makeup day. That it is something nice to have, and especially the part that is lightweight. I cannot feel that I have this on my face, which is a plus. The other product that I got, it is the Ace Beauty palette. I really like this palette. At first I thought that I wasn't going to enjoy it because of the color story is really bright, but it's really easy to blend. It has a lot of color payoff, and actually I can do a lot more than I thought that I can at first glance. And the last product that I got, it was the mascara. I'm gonna give it a second try because usually I don't like mascaras the first time that I use it. I'm gonna give it a second or third try because usually I don't like mascaras when I wear them the first couple of times because they are too liquidy for my liking. I like a mascara when they start to dry up. It is the perfect timing for them. So sweets, this is it. If you got your BOXYCHARM and you want to leave a comment below to let me know if you like it, if you didn't like it, what did you enjoy and what did you get, do so. I really like much to read from you. I hope you like it, and if you did, press the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I really appreciate it. And if you want to get notified every time I upload a video, press the notifications bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.